Is this working? I've never used this before. I can talk quiet and you can't. You can hear me. Good morning. My name is Christian. We're going to Apple Valley Speedway today. Good morning. It is 9:57 a.m. We're going to Grange, ABS, Apple Valley Speedway. My buddy Colin invited me up for this drift event or at Rear Wheel Drive Roach. It's going to be pretty good. It's not too big, not too small. Should be some cool cars there. The brakes really hard. Cameraman's about to fly through the windshield. This is insane going on. Still probably got like 40-something odd minutes to go to get there. It started at 9, it's 10 right now. It ends at 12 a.m. That's insane. 12. The rig's out, brought 3 gimbals, 1 handheld rig. We're gonna get a lot of content today. We brought helmets, so we're gonna get right along. So POV, whatever. I will see you guys out there. We're here at the forgotten beaten path to the ladder that you can no longer go up because I guess too many people took out the fence. Understandable. It was pretty. I almost got hit here multiple times. Orin is indeed no better. We were out there for probably like 45 minutes just shooting, getting videos of everybody. It was pretty cool. Nothing too crazy happened. We almost got hit like once. I don't know how this guy is in the first turn. Right there. You see that? Dylan is changing his rear tires, putting his bumper back on because he threw it, he flicked it like right about here, dropped it in the dirt and just gassed it. That's his signature move. Drops it in the dirt and gasses it, and his trunk tends to just pop open every time. So let's go over to Colin. Let's go see what he calls. Holy shit! That's why there's tires here now. Up in his car and do some spins. Walk with me. Nobody listens to me. Oh. At Typical Ray on Instagram.
Where'd I put the keys?
How do you purr like a cat? Hello, sir.
Hello.
Tell us about your 350Z.
It's a 350Z. A DE. It's a rev
DE. Rev up.
Welded diff. Rack spacers. Camber and toe arms. Tube front, and that's it.
Tube front, and that's it. It's got a hunk in the driver's seat, let me tell you.
S14.
I want one so bad. Here it comes. Look at that front camera. Yeah, all these freaking oh my Jesus Christ, that was loud. Ooh, very wide on that third turn. This is gonna be crazy. How you feeling about this, Colin? Feeling good. How's the car feel? Good. Solid. I think if we had a little bit more angle, we'd do a little better, but... That's the dirt, Colin! My bumper!
No way.
Homie has a VX in the passenger seat.
I have a VX tattooed on my arm.
I wonder if there's a really wide angle. Dude, he's a pilot. I want to be pilot. Great. There's his bumper! This thing is so cool.
Alright, what am I doing? What am I...
This is your vlog now.
This is mine? Okay, so right now he's watering his tires.
That's like spin out number 29 for everybody today. I'm gonna get in trouble for this video. This is crazy. This guy's going off track. No, he's not. Yes, you know he's not. I like this those cars are the ones that are getting down the most, to be honest. Oh, they're coming from a mile away. This is a cool IS300. I'm chasing these cars down. Anyways, it's kind of dark. You've got to back up. Anyways, it's kind of dark. Go back, hang out a bit, get some ride-alongs. It's down just for a little bit. This battery's dying, as you can tell. Here, there's dying. Miata is stuck over there. I'll line up anyways. We're just gonna go sit down, hang out for a bit.
Alright, let's see if I can get some good footage.
It's only like 5. I just ate a whole bag of hot Cheetos. My hands are hot.
Down.
Colin finally drove his car.
Oh, it's my time to go.
Cameraman's going on ride-along, so goodbye. He hasn't gone on a ride-along yet. It's been like 20 minutes.
Don't sit on the...
How are you, young man? Have you been drinking? No. It's only 6:13. And it's pitch black, cold. It's like 59 degrees outside. Sorry, like 49 degrees outside. I have nothing else to say besides God bless America.
Alright, y'all good? Yep, all ready.
Well, that's one 240 down. Wheel turn. Look at the other wheel. Oh, it's flat, too. What that sound was.
Alright, back to business.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Homie just only bent his toe arm. He didn't snap anything. He just bent it. Everybody's just chilling. It's freezing. I'm also drinking a smoothie. See what the first turn has in store for us. That's what I should do. Just as qualified as the rest of them. That's the same spot. Practice makes perfect. That's what my mama always told me. Practice makes perfect. She also told me I was special, so, you know. Oh! Those tires, I just want to watch the tires pop. Preying on downfalls, but it's cool to watch tires pop. What do you think, this lap? What, they're not going to pop? Well, they're not sliding. Oh! Well, I want to say it. I'm not even going to announce. To be fair, I wouldn't be any better. I just want to clarify. I would not be any better. I'd probably be worse, alright?
Motherfucker got deep with me.
He's not going to drive again. We're probably going to leave in the next couple minutes.
Who the fuck is this? Pull up just to call out on a bitch. I be